Navigate to the MatchID page from the main menu. This is where you index your headshots or reference photos. MatchID is organized into categories and subcategories. A category is the main grouping for your headshots, a school, an organization, a team, or any top-level group. For this example, we'll use Demo. A subcategory is where the headshots are indexed. This can be a sport, a season, or another grouping. We'll use State WVB 2026. The display name is a friendly label for the subcategory. It's what you'll see when you review MatchID results in the photo review modal, so make it easy to recognize when you're approving and selecting tags. For this example, we'll use WVB 2026. Once you've filled these in, select Save. Next, add your headshots. Click the drop zone to browse with your file manager, or drag your photos directly into it. A good headshot or reference photo shows a single person in focus with decent lighting. It doesn't need to be professional. If the person's name is already in the photo's person's shown metadata field, the names auto-populate for you. If the headshot shows the player's jersey number, OCR will try to read it and enter it in the jersey field. Adding a jersey number to a person's MatchID profile improves auto-approve accuracy when you run facial recognition against a gallery. If someone doesn't have a jersey number, you can leave that field blank. Once processing finishes, review the name and number for each person. If a number was not read by OCR, you can enter the jersey number in the jersey input. After you've checked everything, select the Upload and Index button in the top right. This processes the data for every headshot you've uploaded. The indexing status appears at the top of the screen, changing from pending to indexed. If any fail, you'll see a red failed count. Each card shows its indexing status in the bottom right corner of the image. Green means it indexed successfully, yellow means it's still pending, and red means it failed. When it's done, a pop-up confirms the process is complete. Take a moment to review the names and jersey numbers again. Once your roster is indexed, go to Galleries from the main menu. To create a new gallery, select a folder or subfolder, then click New Gallery in the top right. A modal opens where you set up the gallery, enter the gallery name, choose its visibility, and the key step for facial recognition. Select the roster from the MatchID section. Here, we'll select our State WVB 2026 roster. When your settings are set, select Create Gallery at the bottom of the modal. Now upload your photos. Drop them directly into the drop zone and select Upload in the modal that appears. Your photos upload and MatchID runs facial recognition in the background. As it completes, the names of auto-approved people appear on the thumbnails in the photo grid. When it's done, you'll see a summary above the photos showing the number of auto-approved, pending, jersey only, and no people matches. Select or deselect each of these to filter the results. To review and approve results, click an image and select the pencil icon. A window opens showing the results for that photo. If you've enabled auto-approve in the organization dashboard, matched photos show as auto-approved. If auto-approve isn't enabled, results show as review. To approve or reject a match, hover over the thumbnail below the photo. The X rejects it, and the checkmark approves it. Anything already auto-approved doesn't need action. The person's name is written into the photo's person's shown metadata. A jersey icon on the thumbnail means the jersey number you entered during indexing also matched. Items marked review fell below the auto-approve threshold but could still be a match. Use the X or checkmark to approve or reject. If no face match is found but the jersey number is red, the person's thumbnail is labeled jersey. Use the red X or green checkmark to approve or reject. In this example, the face didn't meet the review or auto-approve threshold, but the jersey number was found. In this example, the player's back is to the camera and the jersey number was red. The roster you selected for the gallery loads as quick tags on the right of the screen. If someone wasn't found, or the jersey number couldn't be read, select the person from these quick tags to approve them and write their name into the person's shown metadata. To exit, select the X in the top right or press the Escape key. If you have unsaved changes, a prompt appears to save or cancel. You can view the gallery by selecting View Gallery at the top of the screen. The public gallery includes quick filters to sort by approved people. Change the thumbnail size with the SM and L buttons. Use the icons on a thumbnail to favorite a photo or add it to a collection. The share icon lets a viewer share an image from a public gallery by email or social media. To see a larger view, select the preview icon. To move between photos in the preview, use the next and previous buttons or the forward and back keys. Visit the GalleryID help page for more tutorials.